Hey guys, I'm Brian Burke from SellYourMac. Today we're going to teach you how to pack your iMac. We have a box for a 27-inch Retina, a standard 27-inch, we have a 24-inch, a 21.5-inch, and a 20-inch. Any sized iMac, we can pack it. Let's get started. Alright, so you have your big, thin 27-inch iMac. These are very hard to pack. We want to make sure they arrive safe because those screens are ultra expensive and we want to make sure we can always pay you top dollar. Inside, you're going to find 4 inserts. Take out the 2 in the middle. Little packing instructions. And you'll have a bag for some of your peripherals like the Magic Mouse, wireless keyboard, and power cord. All these custom-made inserts are perfectly designed with special grooves to ensure each Mac product fits snug and safely. All right, we'll take this and carefully place it down into the slotted grooves. It should slide right in, nice and snug there. Take the top insert, put that right over that thin top of the Mac. And the last insert fits in just so. And you have plenty of room for your little bag of accessories. You place that right along the back edge on the bottom. Then, you're ready to tape it up. Alright, once our box is secure, we're going to go ahead and use this free return label. Just slap it on the box, and you'll be able to drop it off at FedEx. Just go ahead, lay it down, make sure it's secure just like that.